My name is Gabrielle Lauren, and I'm a certified general accountant and founding partner of Lauren Nanka & Company. The number one question that most business owners have is, what can I write off? What is it that I can deduct from my income that I'm receiving from my clients? When it comes to deductions, the Tax Act is not very clear. They say you can write off some things and you can't write off others, but what about all those ones where there's such a gray area? There is really no definition. So what is it that you can write off? When you look at what the Canada Revenue Agency says, they say that you can write off any expense laid out to earn income. So what are those expenses? Today I'm going to give you some examples of what a category of an expense and give you some examples of what that category would include. For example, advertising and promotion expense. Advertising is pretty straightforward. It's what you would do for putting an ad in the paper, doing a flyer, maybe putting your website together. But what is promotion? Promotion would be anything of a tangible gift that you give to a client to say thank you for giving me a referral, or thank you for your business, or congratulations on a special event in your life. The more your clients are happy, the more business you're going to generate. Thus allowing that the tax department will allow you to write off those expenses because they were laid out to earn income. But what about something like entertainment? What is entertainment and how is that different from promotion? Well, entertainment is anything that includes a food item, be it coffee, donuts, out for lunch, out for dinner, out for breakfast. Whenever you have food item, it's included as entertainment expense. But it's not just limited to food. It also includes tickets to a hockey game. If you take a client to a game and hopefully your team wins, but if not, you still get to write it off. But you're only allowed to write off 50%. You're not allowed to write off exactly the 100% that you paid for that meal or you paid for those tickets. You're only allowed to deduct 50% of it. The reason for that is that the assumption is that you are benefiting personally from attending that lunch, from attending that dinner, or attending that hockey game. So why should you, even though you're a business owner, be allowed to deduct more than 50% of what you've actually spent? And that's where the tax department is very, very specific. Only 50% of what you spend on entertainment is ever tax deductible. If you'd like to find out if there's a way to deduct 100%, there are some exclusions, but you'll have to come see me at the Tax Tips seminar to find out more about this.